Alright, this is Rice Bonds Montana DeYoung again. We're going to open the first of our blaster boxes. The serial number for this box is BB01799589. Let us see if we can't find a Connor McDavid rookie card in here. There's some other really good rookies, I believe, from this set. It's been a while since I've collected hockey cards, since probably 2009 and 10, so I haven't really kept up with the hobby that well. Gonna have to check prices later to find out exactly which of these are going to be worth keeping, which of these people are going to want to trade for. These usually retail for $20 plus tax, $19.99 plus tax. It's 2018 now though, and these packs cost more than they did in retail, so you can see how they look. Dump them out now. Empty. Looks like you get Young Gun rookie cards. Not sure how many you're supposed to have per box, but this is how it looks. Alright, so here are the packs. Let's open the first one. Alright, first one down. See what we get. Base. Alright, all base. Nothing in there. I don't even know who the best San Jose Sharks rookie is in this set. For me, if I wanted to collect anything for my personal collection, it would probably be that. Ekman Larson. These are some pretty nice looking cards for the lower end upper deck set, but it looks to be all base cards again. So, 2 down. Nothing yet. Usually you get a couple of Young Guns spiked in here, and maybe a parallel or an insert or two. And here's our first insert. It's Daniel Sedin. UD portraits, not numbered. All right, let's see here. Andrew Shane, oops. Aaron Ekblad, still just base. Maybe the good cards are hiding later in these boxes. Or maybe they don't appear at all. Oh, here's our first rookie card. Evgeny Medvedev. Looks to be pretty well centered. Defenseman. Not sure how high he was taken in the draft, but there's our first Young Gun. Put that aside. Let's see. Alright, so I think there's only supposed to be 2? Is it 2 Young Guns or 4 per blaster? I'm not real sure, but I guess we'll find out here. Oh, here's a canvas parallel. Roberto Luongo. Parallel of, I assume, the base card. Weird surface. It's a canvas card. So that's our, I guess, our third special card. 1 Young Gun, 1 UD portraits, and 1 base canvas so far. And this is just a checklist. Philip Forsberg and Duncan Keith. Turris, Joanne, Stamkos, just base. Alright, what do you think the chances are we're going to hit a Connor McDavid here? Probably pretty low, but you can always hope. Zibanejad, Henrique, base. Alright, down to our last 3. Third from the last pack. What are we gonna get here? Ooh, I just dinged the Scrivens. Base card. Derek Dorsett. Shining Stars. Ekman Larson. That's another insert. Pretty cool looking card. And the rest look to be base. Gotta be careful when you're opening these packs. Sometimes you get a little bit over anxious and you dig your fingernail. And that could be that. Especially if it was a really expensive card. Alright. Eliash. Oh my god. I cannot believe this just happened. Holy crap. First box of this product. Connor McDavid. It's 2018 right now. He's already won 1 Hart Trophy, 2 I think Pearsons, whatever it is that the peers vote for. This card is worth between $200 and $300. So that is crazy. I think maybe I'll just quit while I'm ahead. That's nuts. This is the reason I bought these, and wow, the first box. Unbelievable. All right, I guess let's take a look at the condition actually. How does it look? Corners look pretty good. The centering, you can tell from the upper deck insignia is pretty good. Wow, the surface looks pretty good. Let's see the back. I think this is a gradable card. I might have to send this baby in. All right. Well, I'm going to move this, so if anybody's interested, let me know. It may be a delay because I might want to send it in to get graded. All right, so that's already a successful break. There's really not much more to do, but let's just find out what is in the final pack. All right, let's see here. Wow, what a rush. That is crazy. First box of any hockey card I've opened in half a decade, and I hit the card I'm looking for. That is some pack luck right there. All right, all base, but I would call that a successful break. Thanks for watching.